Hi guys, so just going to go through 18B question 2. Ideally it would be great if you could use the previous example to have a go at this one now, but if you're completely lost you can use this and kind of follow along as you go, pausing at different points to see how you go. So this question looks at a business magazine and looks at their expected assets of a proposed new company given by m is equal to 200 plus 600t squared minus 200 over 3t cubed. So I'll write that out. M equals 200,000 plus 600t squared minus 200 over 3t cubed. So where t is the number of months after the business is set up and m is the number of assets. Okay, so part A asks you to find the rate of growth of assets. Okay, so simply differentiate. Okay, so you're asking to find the change in time, change in assets over time. So 200,000 goes off to 0, 600t squared becomes 1200t, and the 3 multiplies down. Okay, so the 3 multiplies down and actually cancels out. So the 3 comes in the 200 but then cancels with the other 3, so you're just left with minus 200t squared, because just to put that off to the side, that would be 3 times by 200 on 3t squared, so they cancel. Okay, so that is your model for rate of change. So that finds the rate of change at any time t in the amount of assets you had. So it's asking you to find the rate of growth when t equals 3 months, or t equals 3. So the rate of growth, just substitute in. dm on dt is equal to 1200 times by 3 minus 200 times by 3 squared. I don't have my calculator on me, so we'll try and work through it. So that would be 3,600 minus 9 times by 200, which is 1,800. So that's equal to 1,800. $1,800 per month. Okay, so an increasing of $1,800 per month. Okay, and the final step is find when will the rate of growth of assets be 0. So when will dm on dt equal 0? And there you just substitute in. Okay, so when is 0 equal to 1200t minus 200t squared. So 0 is equal to, you can factorize this, t outside of 1200 minus 200t. Could have factorized further there, but it doesn't really matter. So it's equal to 0 when t equals 0, or when 1200 minus 200t equals 0, or when t is equal to 1200 over 200, which is equal to 6. Okay, so the growth will be 0 is 0 after 6 months. So keep working through this exercise using these examples to help you out, guys. Good luck.